INAudio is pleased to present Trading for a Living. Psychology, Trading Tactics, Money Management. Written by Dr. Alexander Elder, Director, Financial Trading Seminars, Incorporated. Read by Richard Davidson. Introduction. Trading, the last frontier. You can be free. You can live and work anywhere in the world. You can be independent from routine and not answer to anybody. This is the life of a successful trader. Many aspire to this, but few succeed. An amateur looks at a quote screen and sees millions of dollars sparkle in front of his face. He reaches for the money and loses. He reaches again and loses more. Traders lose because the game is hard, or out of ignorance, or lack of discipline. If any of these ail you, I wrote this book for you. In the summer of 1976, I drove from New York to California. I threw a few books on psychiatry. I was a first-year psychiatric resident. Several histories, and a paperback copy of Engels' How to Buy Stocks into the trunk of my old Dodge. Little did I know that a dog-eared paperback, borrowed from a lawyer friend, would in due time change the course of my life. That friend, incidentally, had a perfect reverse golden touch. Any investment he touched went underwater, but that's another story. I gulped down the Engel book in campgrounds across America, finishing it on a Pacific beach in La Jolla. I had known nothing about the stock market, and the idea of making money by thinking gripped me. I had grown up in the Soviet Union, in the days when it was, in the words of a former U.S. president, an evil empire. I hated the Soviet system and wanted to get out, but emigration was forbidden. I entered college at 16, graduated medical school at 22, completed my residency, and then took a job as a ship's doctor. Now I could break free. I jumped the Soviet ship in Abidjan, Ivory Coast. I ran to the U.S. Embassy through the clogged, dusty streets of an African port city, chased by my ex-crewmates. The bureaucrats at the embassy fumbled and almost handed me back to the Soviets. I resisted, and they put me in a safe house and then on a plane to New York. I landed at Kennedy Airport in February 1974, arriving from Africa with summer.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?